What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a project OKX. And before we get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can have fun, get stuff on your radar, and hopefully grow a community of people that want to do the same as me. So let's get straight in. Guys, here it is. It's OKX.com. All the links will be down below if you need them. Only use trusted links. So a quick overview of the website. We've got buy crypto at the top, discover, trade, grow, build, learn, and more. I'm going to show you a little bit inside of all of them. All right, so I'm going to actually show you what kind of trading you can do on here. On the right hand side, we've got the login and the sign up. So once you've made your account, that's how you're going to log in. Okay, so why are they your favorite crypto? All you got to do is scroll down the website and have a look what they've got to offer. All right, it's an exchange, just like most exchanges you have, and you can actually go on there, spot trades, trade futures, things like that. Again, I'm going to show you as we go in. So straight when you start scrolling down, it shows you what price the coins are at. So Bitcoin, that's the one everyone looks for, especially if you're starting off brand new in crypto. That's showing you the now price is $19,149. So it's dropped a lot, but we're starting to creep a little bit back up. Okay, it goes through all the different coins, whatever's in the top and the most popular. You can click that and see the rest of them. And you can also go through it, have a look at the new assets, the ranking gains, and the turnover that it is doing, okay? And it'll show you each change by the day. So what is this exactly? It's your one-stop cryptocurrency platform, okay? You get to discover the DeFi world, dApps, NFTs, all things like that. You've probably seen them on Instagram and things. Everybody talk about NFTs. This is where you get to discover what it is. You can also buy the crypto, hold it for long terms, or trade it. That's usually the two things people use. You either buy the crypto and hold it, and in 10 years time, who knows what's gonna happen, all right? Or you trade it. So whether it's going up or down, you can actually trade it and try and capitalize and make money on it. So you can convert over 30 different local currencies into BTC, ETH, or USDT on here, right? You can also do it with other cryptocurrencies, but they're the biggest ones to point out. You can grow. So yielding your crypto, what that means is, like I said, you hold it, and in 10 years time, who knows what it means, but accessing new tokens that come in early. So don't just jump straight into buying Bitcoin and holding it, okay? I'm not saying that won't be a bad thing to do, but when you find the new cryptos that are gonna be the next Bitcoin and you hold them, that's when you start to make a real big growth and you yield the high investment, okay? We have mining pools where you can actually use the crypto assets for taking out low interest loans and things like that, and other ways that you can grow. Again, just click the button and you will learn more and more. If you want to get started, guys, without even getting to the end of this video, all you got to do is put your email, your phone in there and get started. Okay, you're going to buy whatever it is, $50 worth of crypto, and you will get a mystery box. Okay, so if you go through this using that link down below, all right, you will get the mystery box by depositing $50, and who knows what you're going to get in there. Now what I want to do is I actually want to take you to the trading side and show you how you can do this. All right, now I'm not going to teach you how to trade because that would take a long time. All right, you have to go on YouTube, learn that, or find a mentor and do it, but I'm going to show you how you can use your trading skills to do it. Now what you would first do is click on the basic trading. All right, it's going to take you here, which is the price chart, and what you can do here is you can see where the coin is actually at exactly at the moment. All right, so I can see here we're talking about Bitcoin. You can see up the top left BTC USDT, so Bitcoin against the USDT and where it's moving. It's got its moving averages and it's moving. All right, so what I want to show you is how you would actually purchase some. Okay, these buttons here, once you've logged in, all right, they're going to be buy and sell. Green's going to be buy, red's going to be sell. You're going to put the amount you want. So let's say 4,000. All right, it's going to be a total of 766,340,000, as you can see there, right? You're going to click buy. If you've got that much, then good on you. I definitely don't. But you're going to buy that much or however much you want, all right? Or you will sell the exact same. So you're going to sell USDT to the opposite side, to the BTC. All right, so now I'm going to show you other ways that you can make money. Okay, there's a trading bot side on here. If you just click that, it's actually going to show you. Now what this does is eliminate your own risk. Okay, I'm not saying this will win every single time. It's a trading bot, but what it does is takes away your risk. So if you're brand new at this, you can actually still make money here by just using that trading bot. Okay, again, disclaimer at the start of the video, this isn't guaranteed. I didn't know a single thing about trading crypto. I would much rather a bot that's been made by someone that did use it for me. So the option is there for you, all right, to use this bot. And again, just keep learning more and more about this as we go on. They also have block trading, contracts and margin trading. You can convert, so you can actually just convert your crypto. So if you've got an excessive amount of Bitcoin, whatever that amount adds up to, all right, and you convert it into USDT, you can log in, convert, and it will show you how much that will cost. All right, super, super cool. And again, this is like most marketplaces, but with the extra simplicity. It makes it super, super easy for you. All right, up at the top left, just go trader bot, manual bot, whatever you want to use. So guys, I want to say again, I'm not trying to teach you how to trade on this video. I'm just showing you how we can use your trading skills. Okay, please keep supporting the channel. I'm so grateful for it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And on the next video, who knows what I'll bring, but I'll definitely be bringing something. So I'll see you there.